Hi there, Nick.
No! I'm lost! We gotta find a way out. Come on. Looks like there's no way out.
Uh-oh.
Wait! There's a path. It's a good thing somebody had the sense
Yes, let's
to
go.
make a path.
Yes, let's go.
The bridge.
Whoa.
Going across the bridge. This one too. Let's go.
Okay.
Let's find a way out of here.
Okay. I don't know where I'm going to run into. I'm losing you.
Ow. Yeah. So, hope we can survive on leaves and grass. There's a little, you see that? Right. Look there. Oh, look. Right. These are birds. They're very, very, very small.
Oh, okay.
And they can fly.
Okay.
So, we're quiet.
Okay.
I missed.
I don't know.
But I think it's gonna be okay. Because we're gonna make our way out of here.
Okay.
Very slowly. Don't want to go on the path because the path is bad.
Okay.
When you're trying to escape from someplace, the path is bad. I read that in a book.
Oh, okay. Books teach you a lot. Me too.
That was a little bit scary. Anybody home? Nope. Nobody home. Let's go.
Okay.
Well, this is the place we're gonna be where we're gonna be sleeping tonight, okay?
Okay.
Enough rest. We gotta keep on moving. Oh, look. It's a boat. We can cut the bottom out of it, and we can sail across the water so we can be safe.
Okay.
Does anybody have a knife?
Yeah, I think I got one in my pocket.
Thank gosh, I thought we were gonna die. Hey, give me your knife. Oh, no, dude, that's not a knife. That's some popcorn. Hey, you've got popcorn? I love popcorn. I think we should go the other way.
No!
Yes!
That's sailing.
Huh?
Let's go sailing.
Can't. Mom says I'm not allowed to.